Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nitsa. In today's video, we're going to see how to use a list box in graphical user interface using MATLAB software. So we know that how to open a graphical user interface. So first we have to open a MATLAB software. In MATLAB software, in command window, we have to write one command. That command is nothing but guide command. Then just give the enter. Whenever we give the enter, the one window will be open. That is a guide quick start. Just select blank GUI default. Then this is the graphical user interface window. So in today's video, basically we are going to use a list box. So for that, we have to take one example. So simply I will take addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are the different operations that I going to do in graphical user interface, means in MATLAB software. So for that I have to use a list box. So there are different buttons are there that already we discussed. So in the same way, in today's video we going to discuss the list box. So just click on list box and place here. Okay, so just double click on this list box. So whenever we double click, it goes to the inspector. In inspector, just go to the string option because we have to change a string. So first I will write, for example, I'm taking a different options. So I will take select option. Okay, then I will write addition, then I will write subtraction, then I will write multiplication, and finally I will write division. Okay, finally I will write a division. Simply click on OK, cancel this window. Then for addition purpose we require two values. Again we required some display. So for that I have to take some edit box because I going to take a values in edit box. Okay, again I need text box to give the name. So I will write a static text. In static text I will write, in a static text I will write, for example, is A. Here I will write, for example, the second value, that is nothing but B. Just click on OK, cancel it. In edit text, just I will write, for example, I keep empty. Okay, or I can also write, just I will take one value, for example I will take a 0. Okay, initially I will take 0. Here also I will take a 0. Okay, then I need display unit, so I will take static as a display unit. Here I will keep as empty. Okay, again I will take one static text. Here I will write, for example, result. Okay, just click OK, cancel it. Okay, so that's it. So this is our basic structure. So here I have taken a edit text to take a value from a user. Here I have taken a static text, that is A and B. Here I have taken a list box. In a list I have taken a 4 options like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Finally I have taken a 2 text, for one is a result and one is for to display the values or display the result. So how to write a program? Simply go to the list box, then click and just go to the view callback option. You have to write a program under that particular list box. Okay, so first it will ask to save the file, so you can give the name, just save this file. Whenever we save that file, it automatically create whatever the .m file for that graphical user interface. Okay, and your program will automatically go to the function, that is a list box. So we have to write a program under this list box. So here I have to write a program. So very simple program. Simply I have to take a values for A and B. Then I have to make addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So first I will take the values. So simply I will write value is equal to get in bracket handles dot list box 1, because the name of that list box is nothing but the list box 1 tag. So I have to take list box 1, then comma, in single inverted I will write value because I am going to take a value, bracket complete. Then I have to take the value for A and B, so I will write A is equal to get, and that has to handle by edit text. So I will write edit. So what is the tag for that? Just go to that. So this is edit1 tag and this is the edit2. So here I will write edit1, then single inverted comma, I will write string complete, then bracket complete, then I will write same, just copy paste this particular line. Okay, here I will write B is equal to get handles. So second edit is a edit2, again is a string. Then I will write, because whatever the values we have taken in edit1 and edit2 is basically string, so I have to convert that into number. So I have to write string to number in bracket A. Same way I have to write str to number in bracket B. Next line I have to write a program for switch function, so I will write value, switch value. So first case is already we have taken, that is nothing but select option. So second case is nothing but case 2. So simply I will take C is equal to A plus B. Then case 3, I will write, for example, c is equal to a minus b. Then I will take case 4, c is equal to a into b. Then case 5, that is a c is equal to a divided by b. And finally, if I select any other options rather than this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so finally it will display the one message. That message is nothing but otherwise that is c is equal to, in single inverted comma, option invalid. So it will display the option is invalid. Simply end the program, end the switch program, and finally it will display the result in that particular text window. So I have to set that, set in bracket handles dot text. So just go to that text and see the what is the tagline for that. The tagline is a text 3. So I will write text 3, then comma string single inverted comma complete. Again is a comma, that value is nothing but c bracket complete. Okay, so like this you can write a program for a list box. Okay, then just go to the editor option and run the program. Okay, so here this is nothing but the output window. This output window. So you can see here, if I press the values, for example 2, here if I write 2, and if I select addition, it will display the result 4. If I select subtraction, as 2 minus 2 0. If I select multiplication, as 2 into 2 4. And if I select division, the result become 1. So like this you can use a list box for your application purpose. It's very simple. Okay, is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so I hope now you understand how to use a list box in a MATLAB software by using graphical user interface. So if you think that my channel is good for a student or for your study purpose, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. You can share my videos, you can like my videos, and if you have any doubt about any concept, then you can comment on the video. So thank you everyone. We will